Hi, I'm Paul Drew from Production Expert. In this series of videos, I'm showing you how to get a vintage but upfront vocal sound by using Waves plugins. Now, in the last video, we used the CLA 76 to bring the vocals forward and just to even out all the levels. Now, in this video, we're going to look at the Lord-Alge Vocals plugin. Now, this plugin is amazing for getting a really quick, polished vocal sound. So let's hear where we are so far with the plugin bypassed.
I don't get where you're from. I make love in every language. Think of Paris or Rome. I'm too drunk to hear your accent. I'm tired of all this conversation. I need a little physical translation. Yeah.
Okay, the first thing we need to do with this plugin is to set the input level. We want to get this little light here just to be flashing on yellow.
I don't get where you're from. I make love in every language. Think of Paris or Rome.
Okay, what I'm going to do first of all is to turn off all the elements of the plugin. And let's bring in the bass first of all, and I'm going to keep it on the sub setting. Bring it back. Right, as the vocal already has quite a lot of low frequencies, which I'm going to address later on, I'm going to bring back the sub element of this plugin. Now let's have a quick look at the treble side of the plugin. Let's put it on buy it. Let's boost it just a bit. Take it off. Bring it in. Now what I'm trying to do with this vocal is to give it a more vintage sound, and I think that's working, just adding a tiny bit of treble. If you watched the last video, you'll notice that I used the CLA 76 to compress the vocals, and I'm compressing really hard. And I'm going to compress again inside this plugin just to get the vocals really up front. Let's try again. Let's use it on the push setting. Let's boost it a bit. I'm not going to use any reverb from this plugin as I'm using reverb on my sends. But I'm going to use the delay, and I'm going to use it on the slap setting. And let's solo the vocal. And let's turn up the delay.
In every language, think of from Paris or Rome. But I'm too drunk to hear your accent. I'm tired of all this conversation. I need a little physical translation, babe.
Now that slap's really giving it a vintage sound. Let's hear that again in the track.
I don't get where you're from.
Bring it back just a tad. And let's bypass the plugin. And bring in. So I'm Paul Drew from Production Expert. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.